In this guide, we'll walk through the simple steps to remove a user from a Slack channel. Whether you're managing a workspace or just cleaning up your channel members, the process is quick and easy to follow. On the left side of your Slack interface, you'll find all your channels listed under the channel icon. Start by navigating to the specific channel from which you want to remove someone. Once you're in the channel, go to the top and click on the icon near the channel name. From there, select the Members tab to view everyone currently in the channel. Scroll through the list and locate the member you want to remove. When you find them, click on their name or the options next to it and choose the Remove option. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove them. It's important to note that even after someone is removed, they might still be able to rejoin or be added back into the conversation depending on the channel settings. To complete the removal, confirm your choice by clicking the Remove button. You'll then see that the user is no longer listed as a member of the channel. And that's it. Removing someone from a Slack channel is really that simple. Thanks for watching.